Hello, dear students. Today we are going to study one new topic. As in the previous topic, I have already talked about the time shifting. So today we are going to study time reversal. Right? We will be studying time reversal. So one of very easiest topic, I suppose, but I think you will find this topic very, you can say, very easy. So let me tell you the concept of time reversal. So see, I will tell you the two methods by which we can reverse any signal or we can obtain the time reversal. For that, let us consider a signal. First of all, the first thing is let us consider a signal, very easy signal we will be considering, and let us see what will be there. Okay, suppose the this is a triangular signal we are with respect to time we are drawing. Okay, so here the value is say 2 seconds, and here we have value suppose 1 second, and here again 0. See, there are two methods by which we can do the time reversal. First method is a very easy method. What you do is you just multiply all these value by minus 1. You just multiply all values by minus 1. Okay. So what will happen is that you can all justify this. What will happen if you have to draw x of minus t? Okay, time reversal I'm talking. You have to draw x of minus t with respect to time. Yes, because I need this left side space. That's why I have to. Okay. If you have to draw this, I have to write. Student. So what we did is we just have multiplied all this coordinate by minus 1. So see what we are getting here. What we are getting. Let us see. So instead of 2, we will get minus 2, right? Instead of 1, we will get minus 1. Here we will get minus 1. And here there will be for sure. So see, suppose this magnitude is 1. So what will happen is that this value of 2 will be shifted to minus 2. Okay, that will be here 0. The value of minus 1 plus 1 will be shifted to minus 1. That will be here. Okay, so it will go like this. That is straight line. That is a line. That is a straight. Okay, and the value at 0, it will be here. It will be here. Suppose then what happens? This is nothing but this is x of minus. This is nothing but this is x of minus t, and this we have drawn with respect to. Okay, so this is the first process I just wanted to tell you. The process is very easy. What you do is multiply all these coordinates by minus 1. Okay, and you just place the value. You just place the value. And second very important thing I am telling you, people, kindly listen. What you do is what just try to analyze. This is the analysis. What you do, you just take this axis, you just take this axis as a base axis, you just take this as a base and rotate 180-degree anti-clock. You just take this axis as a base axis and rotate 180-degree anti-clock. Okay, 180-degree anti-clock, what you will get? You will get the line. 180 degree you rotate anti-clock. So this is time reversal. This is very easy. Are you getting? This thing is pretty much easy. This you have to do. There are two ways. First way is to just multiply by -1 all the coordinates. Okay, and you just draw the graph. You will get this. And second, you just take this as a base axis and rotate 180-degree anti-clock. Okay, rotate 180-degree anti-clock and you will get here. Okay, this is the way. By these two ways, you can calculate the time reversal. Thank you for today. This is what I wanted.